student, welcome back in e-learning program organized by Modern Educational Group. Myself Ansu, the science teacher from Modern Children School. Students, today we are going to revise lesson 1 of class 4. Okay? The green plants, producer of food. So, let us start. A student, as you know, plants are living beings. Okay? And most of the plants are green in color. And all the human beings and animals depend on plants because we get food from the plants, and animals also get food from the plants. So plants is important for us. Now, how plants make food? In other words, you can say that food making in plants. So students, as you know, plants make their own food. So let us know how they make their own food. So students, plants make their food with the help of water that it get from soil and carbon dioxide from air, and in the presence of sunlight, leaves put together water and carbon dioxide and convert them into food or simple sugar. Okay, that's why leaves of the plants are called kitchen of the plant. Okay, now second topic is parts of the leaf. Okay, so student, as I told you, there are 4 parts of a leaf according to your book. Let's see one by one. So the flat part of the leaf is leaf blade. Okay, the flat part of the leaf is leaf blade, and leaf attached to the stem. Leaf attached to the stem with the help of stalk. Okay, leaf attached to the stem with the help of a stalk. The first one is leaf blade, second one is a stalk, and as you see, each leaf has generally one vein, and that is called midrib. Okay, that is called midrib, and there are so many side veins a leaf have. Okay, so this midrib and side vein help in bringing water and minerals from the stem. Okay, now the underside. Okay, the underside of the leaf has many tiny openings. Okay, as when you see a leaf under the side, it has so many teeny openings, and that is called stomata. Okay, and from the stomata they breathe. Plants breathe from the stomata. The stomata helps to the exchanges of gases in the leaves. There is a cell of the leaf contain colored substance that is called chlorophyll. Okay, and the chlorophyll trap the energy from the sun, and it helps the plants to prepare their food. Okay, chlorophyll helps the plants to trap the energy from the sun, and green plants make their own food. Now, how do leaves prepare their food? The third topic is how do leaves prepare their food. As you know, we all prepare their own food. Okay, like that plants also prepare their food, and the process of making food in plants is known as photosynthesis. Okay, again I repeat, the process of making food in plants is known as photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis means, photo means light and synthesis means put together. Thus, plant put together carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light, as I told you, and the part of the plant leaf prepare their food and change it into food and sugar. So a part of which is used for the daily requirement of the plant, and extra is stored in either leaves. Oxygen released in the process goes into the air. So how plants make their food? So firstly I told you the process of making food in plant is known as photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is a consist of two words. First is photo means light, and second is synthesis means put together. So in the presence of light, carbon dioxide and water put together and change into food and sugar, and plants make the food. So there is a two activity. Let's see the activity. The first activity is to test that only green leaves can prepare food. So firstly, take a leaf. It has two colors on it. So firstly we draw its outline on a sheet paper. Mark the green or non-green areas. Okay. Now boil the leaf first in water and then in alcohol. Firstly boil in water, then in alcohol. After that wash the leaf and put few drops of iodine on it. You see, the color of green part of the leaf will change into blue black, while the color of non-green part will remain. It means it's no changes. Now the other activity is to show that sunlight is needed for the photosynthesis. Okay, so let's see. So firstly, take a potted plant and leave it in a shade for 24 hours. After that, cover one of its leaf with black strip. Okay, now Again keep the potted in the sunlight. Okay, and pluck the covered leaf. As I told you, cover one leaves with black strip. When you potted the plant in sunlight, we pluck the covered leaf and boil it first in water and then in alcohol. After that, wash the leaf under water and put few drops of iodine on it. You see, the cover part of the leaf does not turn in blue-black because there is no starch, and this shows that the process of photosynthesis takes place only in sunlight.